Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Gariano, Certified Zentangle Teacher. Today is day 14 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Prima or Prima by Kimberly Wood, CCT. So this is a cute little organic tangle. I never done this before, so it's gonna be fun. So I'm using gray tile. And this one, I think I'm just gonna do one big one instead of doing. I thought about doing like this, a lot of the small ones, but I think it's gonna be fun to do just one big one and play with the highlight and shading. So this one starts with kind of a Q-tip like shape. So I'm gonna bring my this is going to be a head of the flower, close to the center of my tile. And from here, I'll add a little stem, like this. And then inside this head, add a lot of dots. So what you're doing is you're adding texture, but also creating a shading on this side. So it's gonna get heavier or more dense on toward the bottom. And when you do this, it's easy to hold your pen a little the higher angle so that you can get the round tip touching the paper or drawing surface like this. And then you're going to add kind of upside down flux. That's what it really is. Perhaps starting from maybe close to this stem. So all your flax is growing from the base of this shape. You can have them touching each other like this, so give space, and then do the same on the opposite side. I think it's fun to have kind of uneven shape. And gonna add a little embellishment. That's a part of the step out. But whatever you do with your flex embellishment, it'd be fun to try out on this tangle as well. Gonna turn my tile. So this is almost like I don't know, 3 tangles combined. This part and the flax, and gonna add one more element. Looks like fescue. So this involves a lot of step outs, and also it's like it's a tangle, but it's almost like a botanical drawing in a sense. You're definitely drawing a flower. There's no doubt about it. A flower that doesn't exist in real life. So you're creating your own flower. So there's no right or wrong. You don't have to have certain number of petals. Because this doesn't exist in our world or in our book. So I'm adding fescue growing up, going this way. Oh, by the way, you're gonna add, just like flex, the center line and dot, but because I'm planning on highlighting a little bit here, I'll save that till later. Because once I highlight, it's gonna get really blurry, so I'll just save myself some work. I'll make this a little bigger. And into the dots and line after I highlight and shade. That's kind of cute. I like it. And gonna shade here the base of the flex shape, and also shade here where I added a bunch of dots, and shade heavily at the base of the stem. So gently spreading this, and then with my white charcoal, I'll add some highlight here. Highlight here. Well, perhaps I should have done this black accent later too after I highlight, because it got a little dusty with my chalk dust. Sorry for my fingers creating a little bit of a shadow here. Hope it wasn't too dark. So you can see how I'm blending my white into my graphite to create a little bit of a gray. Like this. And maybe I'll use the dust to go over here. And with my black ink again, I'll just go over to just bring out some of the black that has gotten a little muddy. Maybe around here. Just adding a little bit of love. Sculpting. Whenever you use white chalk, it gets a little dusty, so there you go. And I will add the flex line and dot. I guess you can do that with white too, if you're working on a gray tile. I'll add this, make these dots a little bigger. Isn't that pretty? I like that. And then just as a finishing touch, add a little shine to this section. And maybe I'll add a few more fescue with white. Dots on the fescue, and be careful, man. Well, I guess I'm reminding myself, be careful, this is still wet. And I will give a little water to see how it's gonna look in a little square. So again, the white part is white gel ink is still wet, so don't touch it. As I'm talking to you on the video, I am talking to myself too. Don't touch it, because you're not going to be happy if you do. Okay, and then you see how, because I added white ink, some of the black is covered, so I'm just going to go back with my black and just gently bringing the disappeared line back. this, and maybe right here, I'll make it a little darker. There you go. So this is a fun tangle, and I'm sure, oops, this black pen got clogged a little bit. I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun playing with this. Thank you for tangling with me. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow for day 15 of Inktober 2023. Thanks. Bye.